This is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see payment history on Netflix. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. To view the billing history on Netflix in a simple steps after you have completed 1 month of free Netflix. It is now time for you to actually start paying for it. In order to pay for Netflix, you will have to give your card details, but suppose you have forgotten the date of the next billing. How will you view this billing history? So in this video, I will show you how to do it. First of all, of course, how to open our Netflix. You can log in into your account on the mobile apps or on the website. After that, you can go to settings by choose on here in your profile, choose on account. And from here, you can see there is an option membership. You can tap on that. So you can see like the plan details, the payment info, and here's view payment history. You can select on that. So here's all your payment history on Netflix. You can see the date, your current plan right now. It's very simple, right? You can see in here. You can see the date, the description, the payment method, invoice, and the total. It's very simple. Here's for the invoice. It's very simple, right? So that is how to see payment history on Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.